Hey there, welcome to Mindbenders. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the top 5 legit ways to make money online. These are methods that I have personally tried and tested, so I can vouch for their effectiveness. So, let's get started. Method 1. Freelancing Freelancing is a great way to make money online. If you have a particular skill or talent, such as writing, graphic design, or programming, you can offer your services on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. You can set your own rates and work with clients from all over the world. Method 2. Online surveys. You can also make money online by completing online surveys. Companies are always looking for feedback from consumers, and they're willing to pay for it. You can sign up for survey websites like Swagbucks, Junkie, or Toluna and start earning money by answering surveys. Method 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money online. You can promote products or services from other companies and earn a commission for each sale that you refer. You can sign up for affiliate programs on websites like Amazon, ClickBank, or Share-a-Sali and start promoting products. Method 4. Selling products online. If you have a product or service that you want to sell, you can do it online. You can set up your own e-commerce website using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce and start selling your products to customers all over the world. You can also sell your products on online marketplaces like eBay or Amazon. Method 5. Teaching or tutoring online. If you're an expert in a particular subject, you can teach or tutor students online. You can offer your services on websites like Udemy or Teachable and create your own courses. You can also offer one-on-one tutoring services on websites like Chegg or TutorMe. So there you have it, the top 5 legit ways to make money online. Whether you're freelancing, completing online surveys, doing affiliate marketing, selling products online, or teaching and tutoring online, there are plenty of ways to make money on the internet. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Mindbenders for more tips on how to make money online.